Welcome. Today we're going to demonstrate a non-surgical rhinoplasty. This is basically where you can improve the appearance of the nose without surgery. I do this using one of the fillers. Today we're going to be using Restylane. Just like any rhinoplasty, I start the process by having a discussion with the patient of what they're trying to achieve. She wants a narrower appearing nose. She wants her tip elevated in a smoother transition from her nasal bridge. So you can see here that I'm just slowly working my way up. I started with the nasal tip. I'm outlining the dorsum of the nose. This way I can give her that more narrow, sleek appearance that she wishes from her nose. I'll work all the way up to the nasal bridge, filling this area. By elevating this and doing it in a kind of systematic fashion, you can give the illusion of a much narrower, sleek appearing nose. This is a great option for patients who aren't ready to have a true rhinoplasty done yet. Here you can see I'm working on her nasal bridge. I'm adding some volume so it has a smoother transition from the glabellar area to her nasal tip. From this picture you can see already with half a syringe how much of a difference we've made in her nose. She already has a much thinner, sleeker appearance. Now I can start doing some fine touching in terms of elevating the nasal tip and giving her a little bit more shape to her nose. So we've created here a nice nasal dorsum. So now I'm going to come to the nasal tip and just give her a slight bit of turn up to her nose and just fill that nasal tip just so she has that nice feminine appearance to her nasal tip. So here we're down the final home stretch for her. I'm taking one last look. I'll put just a little bit more in her nasal tip and then I'll basically turn her from side to side so that I can take a look at her nose, make sure she's got that nice little upturn of her nose, also that she has a good sleek appearance to her nasal dorsum so that we can make any final contouring adjustments that we want to make. Now that I've completed placing the filler in her nose, I'll do some final molding with my fingertips here and then she'll be all done. Here we are at the completion of our non-surgical rhinoplasty. You can see with just a little Restylane filler we've been able to improve her overall shape of her nose. She now has a narrower appearance to her nose and we've been able to fill the nasal bridge and the nasal tip to give her an amazing shape in just 15 minutes. Thank you for joining us today and stay tuned for more videos.